After opening the packaging, first check the accessories according to the packing list, and then unscrew the left and right flanges in order for subsequent installation. Unscrew the screws and first install the safety nets on both sides. After ensuring the installation of the protective nets on both sides, install the furnace tube, paying attention to the consistency of the lengths on both sides. Insert the left tube plug, install the left flange, fix the tube plug on the flange, and finally tighten the screws. The right side is a quick connect flange. Before fixing the flange, please remember to insert a tube plug for fixation. Note, the sample or crucible should be placed in the middle of the furnace tube, and the flange should be installed after inserting the tube plugs at both ends, paying attention to the position of the tube plugs. Before heating, it must be placed in the correct position inside the furnace tube, and the tube plug resistance wire must be fixed inside the flange to avoid gas movement of the tube blocks. After the flange installation is completed, the corresponding flange support needs to be fixed in place and the screws tightened. Connect the vacuum pump. Before operating the vacuum pump, it is necessary to add oil to the pump and pay attention to the oil level line. Finally, check that the equipment installation in the basic state. Press the left button for a second to enter the temperature control program setting state. After setting, long press the half circle key or do not operate for 10 seconds. The instrument will automatically save and return to the basic state. Press the green start button. Long press the down button on the instrument panel for 2 seconds, and the device will heat up according to the program. The voltmeter and ammeter on the operation panel will also change according to the program.